So, got a bit of an issue on our MasterCraft X35. The fuel pump wasn't working, so I just wanted to show you what the issue was. So here in the engine compartment, there's the engine. This is under the back middle seat. Here's the fuel pump. We pulled it out. Gas tank's under there, covered by a towel. What happened? This little yellow connector, this side connects to the fuel pumps, and the other side goes to the ECU, I'm assuming. And what happened was our little connector, it got burnt. You can see that? It's burnt on those terminals. So that's not good. It's not good to have any sort of fire near your boat, and you wouldn't want to be stranded out on the lake. Luckily, it never happened when we were on the lake. It was just at the boat launch. So we just unfortunately didn't get to go that weekend. But what we did was went ahead and bought some new connectors. Bought that one because this side was burned, and the other one. Now we're just installing them. So this is known as a common problem. I'll stick the link down in the description of where we bought this, because it took us over an hour and a half just to find these parts. So they're pretty rare, but be sure to put them down in the description so you can find them if you have this issue.